How to use Fashion Nova reward programs. Fashion Nova offers reward primarily through a refer a friend program, providing $30 credit for successful referral. Additionally, customers can receive discount by email, newsletter, SMS alert, and by practicing in monthly customer review speak sticks. Now, what you want to do is you just have to make sure to open a Fashion Nova app onto your device, and you have to share your unique URL or referral link with a friend. Make them first purchase. They'll receive 30% off, and you will receive 30% in the credit as well. All you need is just go to the me section from the bottom of the page. There, you just want to make sure to go ahead and select your profile. You could go to settings. You could then go ahead and select your privacy choices, something like that. And whenever you send a referral link, the other person's gonna get 30% off, and you will be credited with 30% or $30 into your account. And likewise, you could also sign up for Fashion Nova's email and text alert to receive exclusive discount and promotion offers as well. And during a checkout, you can enter the earned promotion code or reward in a designated promo code or apply coupon box. All you need is just tap on apply, and that's how you're supposed to use Fashion Nova reward programs. With that being said, completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.